This muskrat tried to take our fish.
Here goes.
Oh, it's not coming up
Oh, there he is. Take it. Take the little fishy. Oh, it's cold out here. Where'd he go? This by far is one of the strangest things that has ever happened to me. There he is. He just swam down that way. Right in there. Oh, he's right here. There he is. He's going to take my fish. Jaden, he took it. He's taking my fish. Out of here. What the heck? Look at this. Can't really tell that very well. One second. Jane, he's just right here. Look at this.
The muskrat
Some bites.
It like grabbed on.